Jason Bourne takes $15.
You gotta understand that Jason Bourne doesn't play at the game.
Oh, Jason.
Suck 'em.
Keep confusing with Scott Copeland.
What a mind pickle.
Say what? Where's he playing at? Silly Goose.
You silly bastard.
Big rap man sounds. That motherfucker needs a lot of fucking. Oh, I fucking hate that shit.
This is a song about playing at a little bar just not too very long ago. There were only 25 people that night, but we played our guitars loud and most of the chords right. And this girl asked me if I was married, and I said not yet. She was kinda scary, and I said, I told my bass player, she wants to do me, I bet. And my bass player left me standing in the cold. And this woman wasn't pretty, and she was very old, and I know she wanted to do things impure. And I'm singing kinda funny, so I sound like McClure. And my drummer eats all my food, and he sleeps on my couch and does women loud, and that's kinda rude. And he never thought I was home that night, but everyone heard. When he's doing the dirty, he says naughty words. And I know this song will never make the radio. Hell, it probably won't even make our shows unless we get shit-faced and accidentally do it, so it's got a pretty good chance. I know this don't rhyme, but I gotta say it anyway. Hold on, here it comes, ready? I'm singing kind of funny, so I sound like McClure, like McClure. 'Cause I'm just trying to scrape up a few dimes and play the fiddle. I'm McClure, McClure.